Hi and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language on your Fire Stick. So grab your remote and with the directional key, head across to the right-hand side to Settings. Then come down the list and across to Preferences. Once here, make your way down this list and we go to Language. When we change the language, it will change the menu and text, as it says on the right-hand side, and Alexa's voice, which is currently English. Let's change this to French. So I shall work my way down this list until I find French. I select. You can see a tick has been placed beside it. I shall go back, back again. We're now at the home screen. We can see after a second, it takes a second or so just to switch language, that the menus and the titles have changed. If you see at the top there, and also just on the home button, it's changed. And as I move across to settings and the squares below are in French. So I hope you found this useful, and if you have, really appreciate you giving the video a quick thumbs up as it helps me out so much. Thanks very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.